In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste clips in Lightworks. If you're new to Lightworks or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to duplicate a clip in your timeline without disrupting your edit. First, open Lightworks and load the project you're working on. Switch to the Edit workspace so you can see your timeline at the bottom of the screen. That timeline is where your sequence lives. The rows are tracks, and each block represents a clip. Make sure the clip you want to duplicate is visible and position your playhead, the thin vertical line, somewhere you can easily find. To select the clip you want to copy, click it once in the timeline. You'll know it's selected when it highlights. Be careful not to double-click, which can open the clip in a viewer instead of selecting it in the timeline. If you clicked the wrong one, click an empty space to deselect and then choose the correct clip. Zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision. This makes it easier to confirm you've picked the exact clip and frame you intended. With the clip selected, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command+C. You won't see anything change right away. That's normal. The clip is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. Next, decide exactly where the duplicate should go. Move the playhead to the frame where you want to paste. If you want it on a specific track, make sure that track is active or targeted so Lightworks knows where to place the clip. When you're set, paste by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. Lightworks will insert the copied clip at the playhead on the chosen track. If snapping is enabled, it will align neatly with nearby edits. If not, you can place it more freely and nudge it afterward. After pasting, take a moment to confirm it landed exactly where you expected. If it didn't, press Ctrl+Z to undo, reposition the playhead, or adjust your track selection, and paste again. If your shortcuts behave differently, check your keyboard settings in Preferences to confirm the copy and paste mappings. For frame-accurate placement, zoom in and use the arrow keys to fine-tune the playhead position before pasting. And that's all there is to it. Open Lightworks, select your clip in the timeline, press Copy, set your playhead, and paste. It's a fast, reliable way to duplicate content and keep your edit moving smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.